Hi guys, Becki-licious here, and today I am excited to make this Easter breakfast. So let's get started on it. Okay, so we are going to make carrot cake cinnamon roll pancakes for Easter, which is sounds amazing, right? So I really hope you stay until the end of this video because I want to show you a dress that I'm thinking about wearing for Easter Sunday. All right, let's get started on these carrot cake cinnamon roll pancakes because they sound amazing. So we're going to start with our dry ingredients, which is just regular flour, whole wheat flour. Get all that in there. And then we've got some cinnamon. We've got baking powder, baking soda, nutmeg, and last but not least, a little bit of salt. So we're going to get this all mixed up and then we're going to start on our next step. All right, so our next step is we're going to add in some milk and an egg. There we go. And then we've got brown sugar, some vanilla, and a little bit of Greek yogurt. Let's get all of this in here. And then we're going to get this all mixed up together until this is all nice and smooth, okay? All right, now we're going to mix our wet ingredients in with our dry. So we're going to get this all poured in here. And then we're just going to mix this up until it's all smooth. Getting into the Easter spirit, can you see? All right, now we're going to do the cinnamon roll aspect of this pancake. So we've got our butter in here already, some sugar, cinnamon, obviously. And then we're going to use that little bit of pancake batter that we took out earlier, that we reserved earlier. So this is going to go in here. So we're going to get this all creamed together. And then we'll go in our next. We transferred over this little cinnamony, rolly mixture into a Ziploc baggie, snipped off the end. And now we are ready to make these pancakes happen. All right, let's make some carrot cake cinnamon roll pancakes. Okay, so we want this, spread this around nice and pretty. And then we are going to attempt to take our cinnamon roll icing, if you will, and we're just gonna make us a nice little cinnamon rolly swirl along the center. There we go. This is exciting. Too much fun in the kitchen today. So we're going to do a second one. I want this spread all around. I want this one. I think I want this one slightly bigger. Just a little tiny bit bigger. Just a little bit. There we go. Oh, look at that. This is going to be yummy. Because of this. Because you gotta love carrot cake. Especially around Easter. But then you throw in cinnamon roll. I mean, you had me at carrot cake, but you definitely got me at cinnamon roll. There we go. All right. Let's try to flip this pancake. Oh, yummy. Hoo-hoo-hoo. Yum, yum, yum. All right, are we ready to see how our swirl looks? Are you ready? Ooh, look at that swirl. Look at that swirl. See, what did I say? Carrot cake, cinnamon roll pancakes. Carrot cake, cinnamon roll pancakes are done. And look at how cute. It's a little bunny rabbit, but I got to give him his little cottontail. And we've got for his feet some little chocolate chips. Tell me this isn't the cutest thing in the whole wide world. Oh my goodness. This is yum. I love Easter. Look at how cute. So here's the little bunny feet, the little bunny butt with his little bunny tail, the head, and then the ears. Too cute, huh? So I didn't have the heart to cut into my bunny rabbit, so I made an extra little one so that I could at least try it so we could see how good it is together because I feel like it's going to be yummy. Oh, Oh, that's good. You can taste the carrot cake. You can taste the cinnamon roll. Yeah, I would make these for every single Easter morning because they're so yum. So, all right. So I have to go try on a dress now. So let's go do it. So what do you think? For Easter? Yeah? So there you go. Another fun experiment in the kitchen with me today. I hope you guys had fun because I know I did. I look forward to seeing you next time, okay? Bye.